Do you know the top 5 ways to control your blood sugar levels? They're simpler than you might think. Today, we'll delve into these methods, providing a comprehensive guide to maintaining healthy glucose levels. First on the list is adopting a balanced diet. The food you consume plays a pivotal role in controlling your blood sugar. Opt for foods that are high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes in your blood sugar levels. Also, try to limit your intake of processed foods and sugary drinks, as they can cause sudden increases in your blood sugar. Secondly, regular physical activity is a must. Exercise increases insulin sensitivity, which means your cells are better able to use the available sugar in your bloodstream. It also helps your muscles use blood sugar for energy and muscle contraction. Whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a yoga session, make sure to include physical activity in your daily routine. The third method is to maintain a healthy weight. Weight loss improves your body's ability to regulate sugar and boost your overall health. Even a small amount of weight loss can make a big difference. Remember, it's not about achieving an ideal weight overnight, but about making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Fourth on our list is regular checkups. Regular blood sugar testing will help you understand how food, activity, and stress affect your blood sugar levels. It's also a good way to track your progress and ensure that your diabetes management plan is working. The final method is stress management. Stress can affect your blood sugar levels. Hormones produced in response to stress cause blood sugar to rise and may also prevent insulin from working properly. Techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation can help manage stress and maintain balanced blood sugar levels. To recap, the top 5 ways to control your blood sugar are adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, getting regular checkups, and managing stress effectively. Implementing these methods into your daily routine can help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and ultimately lead to a healthier, happier life. Remember, the key is consistency and perseverance. It might not always be easy, but it's certainly worth the effort, so don't wait. Start today. Your health is in your hands. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. How do you manage your blood sugar levels? Do you have any tips or tricks that you would like to share with our community? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable to us and our viewers. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to deliver quality content. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Lastly, check the link in the description below. It's a resource designed to help you become a little less sweet, but a lot healthier. Remember, every small change can make a big difference. Let's embark on this health journey together. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay happy.